Welcome to GreenTGarden. In this video, I'm going to tell you guys why it's so important to harvest. The biggest mistake myself and most of the new gardeners make is not harvesting on time. Harvest on time is one of the key to make your plant produce more veggies, and which means more harvest, which means faster harvest and tons of veggies. You're basically training your plant to produce more when you harvest on time. When we're seeing our veggie growing, we'll leave it to overgrow and just watch our plants use so much energy to overgrow and overripe that one fruit. When we could cut that out and let the plant use the energy to grow the smaller one. So basically the plant observe your nutrition and the energy from the root. So as it's coming up, it start give out energy to the first thing it reach, which is your leaves if you didn't prune, or it reach to your bigger fruit. And then whatever less energy comes to the top. So you got to really think about it. The plant right here, this is the roots. The roots observe all the nutrition and energy, and it grows upward. So if you have veggies here, it's going to overgrow them more, and that's going to take a longer time. So if you harvest the veggie, prune out your bottom leaf, think about it, the energy is just going to keep going upward and growing your smaller veggies and your baby leaves on the top, so which you'll get a faster harvest. So I harvest 2 to 3 days ago, and there's a couple already to harvest, and I'm going to harvest and show you guys. So even though if it's just 1 or 2 or 7, just harvest it. Get that out of the way of the other veggies. Harvest it so your other veggies could grow faster. So what to do in your garden, just walk around, take a moment, and you could see this is about 8-9 inches. And look at this, see this right here, this one fruit, it's not gonna make it, it's yellow. So this is a sign either I don't have enough nutrition, or I don't have enough calcium, or the plant is stressed out, or maybe I'm overwater or underwater. So it could be a lot of reason why this one, but I don't need it. So always harvest. See that? Beautiful. So when we harvest that, right, you could see now our plant, the root is going to observe the energy and it's going to come up here. This male flower is finished. What to do is just cut this off, so the energy is going to be flowing. You got a couple of leaves, but now it's going to be flowing into the new stuff that's coming in and grow. So your plant is not going to use any energy to grow any overripe any other veggies, because look at this, guys, this is perfect delicious zucchini, guys. You don't need to overgrow it. You overgrow it, it's gonna get really solid white inside. It's not gonna taste the best, and sometimes you leave it too long, this part from the bottom will start getting yellow and it start rotting, and you might end up losing your fruit. And then you train your plant basically the wrong way. Your plant is gonna literally go in a slow process mood, which is gonna take a long time to harvest. Next up, that's a yellow squash, and look at that massive one back there. I gotta get in that plant. I didn't stake up or anything over there, so I'm gonna get this one right now. So same thing, what I do, guys, I always come close, get out the bottom leaf. Look, this is perfect. I didn't get this one upward growing vertically, but I will get this plant back vertically later on. There's a lot of spikes, which I'm not a fan of spike. So you could kind of twist it too, but like, oh man, this is a perfect example to show you guys. Learn from my mistake here. Even everybody makes mistake in the garden. Look at this. See that white yellowish coming in right there? It means it's overripe. So basically my plant was just pushing energy to overgrow this and overripe this. So this is why it's very important to harvest your zucchini or squash or anything. So let's keep going, and I'm gonna walk around and check. Oh look, I already see another one here. So you guys gotta remember, I harvest within 2 to 3 days ago, and you gotta do this, guys. Either you could cut it or you guys could twist it. And you guys know I always like to prune out the leaf right next to it. gives more energy to flow up to the plant basically. So we got another one right there. I'm gonna just pick it out. Beautiful, guys. So look, this is a container. Oh, you could see right here, guys. Look, I'm losing this one. Turn yellow. This container is dry. So container, guys, they need a lot more water. Especially when it comes to like cucumbers or zucchini or squash, they need a lot more water when it comes to container, guys. We could leave this to overgrown, but there's no need to. It's ready. And once I harvest this, I cut the leaf all the way to the bottom. Look at that. Kind of like clearing out my plant. So now my energy is gonna push right through coming up. And this one here and this one right here, this is gonna turn massive in like 2-3 days. I'll show you guys. I'll make a shorts video to show you how that's gonna get massive in 2-3 days. So we got this nice yellow squash, and we have a lot of veggies coming up on this plant. So it's really good. Oh, I think I might cut the small one. Oh, it's a twin. Oh man. All right, that's fine. I didn't realize it was a twin. Jeez, I should have left that. Well, Pepper will still get that. I should have left this to grow a little bit more because I love the twins one. But my plant really needs the energy. Put it in the basket, Grace. My daughter's here to help. So most of the energy now is going to use to grow the rest right there, and that one is going to grow up massive. So harvest on time always. So right here we have a golden zucchini, and there's a bee pollinated right next to me. Hey bud, you get ahead, you do your stuff. So these are golden. Put it over there, guys. Golden. The golden one. So see another one right here. So it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I don't like the pruning. It's gonna be too hot, so it's gonna be all right. So we got a couple of cucumbers gonna be ready. Yeah, you could see. Look, you could see the bottom lighter green to the top. So, and then we got another one here. So it doesn't matter about. Hold on, don't touch it, Grace. Don't touch it, Grace. I have to. So it doesn't matter the size of the cucumbers. Like, you could leave this to grow more, but this is the perfect time to harvest. Quick harvest right here, guys. You could see that's a round zucchini. Beautiful. I got some fresh cucumbers, zucchini, yellow squash. This one is a little bit overgrown, but when they're overgrown, this one is overgrown. When they're overgrown, guys, you'll see they have more seed inside. They'll get that white stripe on the bottom. The seeds are bigger inside. Sometimes it doesn't taste like the best, or it doesn't, like, you know, especially when you're grilling, it doesn't like melt right away. These guys will cook really, really well on the grill, the smaller ones. Cucumbers, guys, delicious, fresh. Nothing beat a fresh home backyard vegetables, guys. I'm telling you, I love it. Quick harvest and harvesting tip. And hopefully this video was helpful, and if it was helpful, guys, please give a thumbs up. Also, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon. Every time I upload a video, you guys will get it right away. And any question, guys, feel free to comment below. I always love to answer your question. And I just want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers out there who's been watching and supporting. And thank you so much for helping my channel growing and everything. I love it, guys. And I got more because of you guys supporting me. I have tons of more veggies that's growing from all my positive and happy gardeners out there, and I'm really happy about that. I could share whatever I know with you guys, and you know, I see a lot of comments and positive feedback and positive comment, and I love it, guys. I love how we're all helping each other and everybody's growing a better garden. And if you're now starting off, guys, I have a lot of videos. Go ahead and check it out. And if you know anyone need help, guys, please share my videos. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for watching GreenTGarden.